Good morning. We're going to make a tabletop tree, and I'm going to use 4 little trees from the Dollar Tree and a paper towel holder from the Dollar Tree. You can embellish your tree any way you want. So let's get started. When you get your tree from the Dollar Tree, it comes in a box like this, or maybe they're out of the box. They are hard to find, because a lot of people are using them right now for so many different things. I took the other 3 out of the box. So you get your tree and you get 3 little feet to go with it, but we're not using the feet. Okay. What we're going to do is you want to take your paper roll holder, just push it out here, just like this, and you want to set the tree inside. You want to take your top big tree limb, I call it a tree limb, and you want to put it on your holder, just like that. Let me put it up just a little bit more. Just like that. And you want to curl it over. Okay. Then you just want to take it and bring your limbs down just a little. Like I always say, a little dab will do ya. That way you can see when you need to work on some more things here. Just like this. And that will secure it a little. So we're going to put the next one on. You can take your limbs and put it out like this before we even start if you'd like. Whatever's easiest for you. Today it's cloudy in Maine. It's 37 degrees. Then we're going to take this and we're going to stick it right here at the bottom again. And we're going to take this lonely big, see it right here? And we're going to take it and we're just going to wrap it right at the top of the paper towel holder again. Just like that. You're going to have it just like that. See how it's coming together? Coming together nicely. Then we're going to take the next one and we're going to set it right here at the bottom. And we got this great big tree limb. We're going to take it and we're going to put it right in the top again, paper towel holder. Whoops, don't want to pull it up there. And we're just going to stick it right in again. And then we're just going to take the limbs down however you want. There's no rhyme to reason. It's how you like it. And then we've got one more left. We're going to take the big limb right here. I don't know what you call it, limb, stem. Put it on the bottom. And we're just going to wrap it right around. Just like that. So we have 4 trees in. Gonna put the limbs down a little. You can decorate it however you like. Pull them out, leave them, do a Charlie Brown tree, whatever makes you happy. That's what I say, whatever makes you happy. See how it's coming together really nice? Doesn't that look good? I'm just playing around making it felt out here. So what I'm going to do, so you can see, I'm going to take a bow and I'm going to stick it up there. Or I've got a few of these big bulbs I got at the Christmas tree, and see which one I like better. Yeah, I like the bow. So we're going to stick the bow up like that. I'm doing it blindsided, so I hope it comes out okay. There you go. Yep, that looks fine. I'm just going to bring a few limbs down here. And then what I'm going to do is I've got a set of Christmas lights. I think they come in 10. No rhyme to reason. We're just going to stick it on just to give it a little pretty. Just like this. And I'm going to stick the back of it right in back. The little on and off switch. I'm just going to look here. Oops, like I said, it's however you like it and how you want to do it. I'm just giving you an example, and you can run with it from there. And then I got some of these at the Dollar Tree. Whoops. Those ones are coming out. And maybe this will be too much. You could just drape this down. However you'd like. Let me see here. I'm kind of working backwards, but that's okay. There's nothing wrong with working backwards. Get this untwisted here. You can just kind of come down and drape it. Two of the bulbs are left in the box here in the bag. So if we get this, stick them right back on. And where's the last one here? It's right here on the ends. And we'll stick it like this. And like this. And we'll go up on top and end it like this. Like, again, you can do anything you want with it. But there you have it right here. And I have more bows. You could put more bows on it, but I don't want to overload it. And I forgot my little napkin that I'm going to use for a tree skirt. So I'll be right back with that. Okay, I'm back. And what I have here is a napkin that is a Christmas napkin. So we're going to make this a little tree skirt. And that just covers up anything you want to hide, any imperfections, or you can put little gifts around it or whatever. If you like this video, there you go, right there. If you like this video, please give me thumbs up. You never know what's going to be on my videos. There'll be more Christmas crafts coming, and baking, and a little bit of this and a little bit of that. You never know what's going to be on my videos. And I hope you like this. It's very quick, it's easy, and most everything came from the Dollar Tree. So please hit that bell. Sub if you haven't. You can find me on Pinterest, Instagram, and Facebook. And you never know what's going to be on my videos. Have a great day. God bless. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye now.